Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. Today I have my 5 favorite Indian skincare products and I'm so happy to share this list with you. So let's start. First I have this Aqua Boost Hydrating Toner from Cule and I have never ending love for this. It hydrates my skin, it supports the skin barrier, the texture is so good, the formulation is really nice. It has ingredients like pentavitamin, citrulline, hyaluronic acid, and all these ingredients are naturally sourced. It also nourishes and balances skin's pH while making skin feel soft and hydrated. It can work for all skin types, even for sensitive skin. The texture of this toner is watery, non-sticky and lightweight. This toner soaks into my skin within seconds, leaving my skin hydrated, glowy, healthy and fresh. You can use this in a cotton pad or directly on skin, gently patting it in, and it feels extremely light and gentle on my skin. I highly recommend this one because it is a wonderful toner to have in your skincare routine. Next I have Cule Aqua Boost Hydrating Serum, and this one is also very nice. It provides deep hydration. It supports the skin and improves skin's elasticity. It has ingredients like hyaluronic acid, saccharide, isomerate, and this serum can suit all skin types and has texture of non-sticky water gel. It gives this hydrating glowy look without the stickiness. Like the toner, this serum is also fragrance free and can work really well even for sensitive skin due to its skin loving ingredients and gentle formulation. It hydrates and smoothens while giving dewy glow. If you want supple complexion, then this is the serum for you. You can use this every day and it's gonna gently take care of your skin. Now I have this Sulphur ointment from Dr. Patel's. It has 10% sulfur as a base. It has petrolatum, lanolin. You can use this as spot treatment for your breakouts. It actually works quite well and this is quite affordable. I paid I think 75 rupees for this one. Leave this overnight to target breakouts. And you don't have too many sulfur ointments out there, and this one is also quite affordable. Up next I have this one from Dr. Sheth. This is Gulab and Glycolic body pill. It has 2% glycolic, then 6% lactic acid. It has gel texture and you can see few beads in there as well. What I do, I use this on my skin, on my body actually for 15 minutes, then I rinse it off. It works on textures. It helps to detan because it has exfoliating benefits, but do not use this like every day. It's not for that. Use this once or twice in a week. Also, exfoliation can leave your skin extra photosensitive, so make sure you use sunscreen. Lastly, I have this sunscreen from Chemist. This is Peach the Sun sunscreen. It is a hybrid sunscreen. It has old school sunscreen filters. It has also mineral filters. It has color and fragrance, but the fragrance is quite mild, didn't give me irritation, and the color is, it has this mild peachy color. I would have loved if they had made it peach toned sunscreen. If they had added color, they could have added more peach and made it like, color corrector or some color correcting sunscreen. That would have been like better. It actually can become your everyday sunscreen because it is so lightweight, doesn't feel heavy at all, doesn't leave any white cast, which is great. It has hybrid filter like I told you, so you're gonna get enough sun protection. And yeah, I'm really liking the texture of this sunscreen, to be very honest. I also like their Berry Bright sunscreen. That one is more moisturizing than this one. This one feels more hydrating on my skin, and yeah, quite good affordable sunscreen to have. So yeah, there you have it, my 5 favorites from Indian skincare. I hope you found this to be helpful and I want to see you very soon then. Bye bye.